All right, getting packed for Florida. Rented a minivan because, minivan plus dad bod, the best. Shut up, sheep. Ain't nobody talking to you. Loading up food from the lone wolf prepper. He and I don't get along, but he did donate 400 pounds of food to the Florida relief effort, so we thank him for that. And, you choose your allies when you're doing the Father's work. And so we're going to go feed people. And part of that is 400 pounds of food that we are conveying from Arkansas to Florida. And that's going in now. So, again, while he and I may not see eye to eye on a lot of things, he felt convicted to donate this food. And I'm thankful for it. And it will be a blessing to others. And so what's going with us? Me, my two older kids, bug out bags, obviously, all the hardwares, like the EDC, always, plus the, all the other interesting things, comms, medical, a route back home again, several actually, tools, sleeping gear, my briefcase, clothes. That's about it, man. So yeah, that's we're loading up now, and I'm gonna pick up the two big kids from school and head that way. But we're just getting started. So, all right, we're loaded-ish. I need two kids, and some pillows so they can fall asleep in the truck. Not truck, minivan, tactical dad vehicle, the TDV. All right, so in the front seat, you know what? I'll spin this around and show you guys. I get this question a lot. D, what's the ultimate bug out loadout for my bug out vehicle? Ish. There's things you need, things you don't. Vehicle-borne operations are the bomb, but understand that everything devolves into a man-portable system. So I'll spin this around.
This here is what we call teachable moments. So I have a trauma kit in the front seat. I have a vessel of holy water, aka coffee, right here in the front. I have an iPhone lightning cable. I have a note to call the Rev, which I already did. Down here I have a Baofeng UV5R that has all the channels, that is hooked up to the 12 volt device thing. So I got commo and meds and power and hydration right there in the front seat. Back here got the boy kids bag full of stuff, girl kids road bag, my clothes, my rucksack, my sweatshirt, my briefcase full of all the important documentations for the mission, plus a couple other odds and ends. I'm actually going to do a review on that briefcase. Thank you Interstate Steel Fab for the gift, and thank you Ollie for putting that thing together. It's incredible. It's legitimately tremendous, and I'm going to review it. We have 400 pounds of food stacked in the back. We'll walk around this way, and down here is a button we can hit, and then that thing opens. Then back here, sleepy bags, a bag full of commo and all the things, pistol holster and spare mags and all the things. Some hammocks, my tool belt, sawzall, tool bag right here, hammer, drills, the whole nine. My electrical pouch right there, my line 1 gear, my war belt, comms, IFAC, blowout kit, reloads, knife, the whole nine. So, in case things get squirrely, I've got it. It's right there. And there's 400 pounds of food underneath this in the back. Oh, and girl kids suitcase. Clothes. And then over here, tactical dad vehicle. Open. The crux of the issue. If things got super sideways right now, I could come out of this door with the pistol and fight my way to right here to the long gun. Chamber is empty, magazine is out of it, so forth and so on. And then, you can never have too many mags. So there's mags in here. There's mags on my line 1, There's mags on the back of my ruck. And then there's mags. Oh, wrong pocket. Wrong pocket, son. Then there's more mags in here as well. Can you see them? There's some. And there's another one underneath that right there with more mags as well. So there's 6 mags in here. 2 mags there is 8. And then there's 2 mags in here is 10 plus 1 in the gun. So 11 mags. Yeah, there we go. That's, you know, thank you, brother, for sending me this. It's hanging out right there right now. So that's what we're doing. That's this loadout for this excursion. And yeah, here we go. The main reason we're doing this, the main reason we have this vehicle is to carry this 400 pounds of food as efficiently as possible from where we are to where it needs to be, about 1,000 miles away. So that's why we had the tactical dad vehicle. If we weren't conveying 400 pounds of food with us, this would be set up differently. Also, what's missing here? Water. So I'm gonna get 3 cases of water when we leave as well, in between here and where we rendezvous with some of our people that are gonna meet us for this mission. It's something o'clock and we're somewhere on our way to the Floridas, and I have the chillins. You can't see them, it's dark. I got the 2 big kids. There's Ganache, and Harlan's back there having screen time, as you can see. It's choking on the splinters. Soy un pendedor. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you give me? So anyway, yeah, we're road tripping it, and there's that set of headlights back there. That's a guy, a patron from somewhere in Texas, who drove all the way to Arco, Texas, who's now following us to Panama City, Florida, so we can link up with another couple of dozen people. It's awesome. So
I wonder if any of the people there would be excited to see me.
Maybe, but we're not going so they can see you. We're going to surf. So
We're going to surf?
yeah, we're gonna go surf. Oh, and my wife gave me a haircut, and I shaved part of my beard off.
Oh, I didn't notice
Because
that.
yeah, you're very good at this. All right, driving time. Bye.
Elevator ride, going up. Of course we are. Oh, hey.
Look at this
he's
guy.
back.
Do you want to be on the internet?
Ooh.
Go. Move the sense of purpose.
No.
Do you want to be on the internet?
It's not much of a choice.
Where did you drive from?
Odessa, Texas.
Odessa, Texas. And where are we now?
I have no idea.
I don't really know
Holly
either.
Springs,
South of
somewhere?
Memphis?
Holly
Question markish.
Springs / Victoria Spring place thing.
It's pushing 10 o'clock at night. You're gonna hit the button? Number 2, son.
I did
That
it.
not me poop. Pick that up. Yeah, so, and then tomorrow we're gonna drive like 7 more hours.
Yeah.
Ish. And then we're gonna go surf. Day,
I didn't bring a
day
swimsuit.
1. So it's officially the end of day 1. Kids are
Why couldn't see me?
kids are snuggled up in the bed. I'm feeling like doing a quick YouTube live stream because I'm just feeling like doing it.
Free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi. So yeah, kind of wind the brain down by using it. That doesn't make any sense, but that's what I'm gonna do. And so yeah, that concludes day 1.